Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can create new sheet revisions as well how we can edit the previous sheet revisions as well in Revit. So let's start. So for that one, I'll go in View tab right here, and in the View tab, I'll click on this Sheet Issues slash Revision icon. Click on that one. This kind of dialog box will be opened. Right now, I can see one revision is already right here, but I want to create multiple revisions. So the first place, how I can edit this one. So I can directly, okay, let me show you one more important thing before than that. Let me close this one. I'll go in Sheets. Let me go for, this M100 floor plan L0 parking sheet. Let me open that one. So if you'll see right here, we do not have any revisions to this sheet. Okay. So to add a revision, what I'll do is that I'll scroll down right here, click on revision on sheet, click on add it. And you can see this one revision that is already created. I'll click on shown in revision schedule. Click on tick that one, click on OK. And now the revision is added right here if you'll see. But for example, I want to show right here as R0 and auto show right here for issued issued for review, for example, and the date will be the latest date. Okay, so how I can change that one? So for example, for that one, I'll click on View tab, click on Revision, and right here I can go for this alphanumeric. Okay, if it is not right here, click on Custom. Date, I can mention whatsoever date. So for example, today's date 22/02, whatsoever formatting you want, and 25. And as I mentioned, issued for review. Okay, and then I'll click on OK. So I'll be shown A, I guess. Yeah, correct. Why? Because if I'll go right here in this one, I'll see the serial number right here as A. Okay, and how I can customize this one, I'll click on numbering right here, and I can go for custom, click on this icon to add this one, and I'll go for whatever I want. So as I mentioned, I want to go for R0, R1 like that way. So I'll remove this one and I'll go for R0, R1, R2, R3. Let's go for till R5. Okay, great. I'll click on OK and OK. So we'll see right here my custom revision will be R0. Okay, I'll click on OK now and you'll be seeing the change right here as well. Clear? The date will be based on whatsoever you wanted to fill. So that is how we can we can edit the revision. But how we can create a new revision is very simple again. Click on View tab right now, click on Revisions, click on Add. Okay, so I'll click on Add, a new row will be added. So now if you'll see, the revision will be R1. Okay, you want to change the date, definitely you can change. So for example, I want to go for example, today's date only. So I can either type or I can copy from top. Okay, let me go for new date. So I'll go for example, tomorrow's date, 23, and I'll go for a new revision that will be, um, for example, issued for construction. Okay, construction. Click on OK. I have created two revisions, but the next element, the revision one R1 is not shown right here. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll go again in the properties, click on revisions on sheet, click on add it, and I'll go for the second one as well. Click on OK and OK. The second line item is added. But for example, I just wanted to show only R1, not R0. So for that one, I'll go right here again on revisions on sheet, click on add it. I'll uncheck the previous one, click on OK. R1 is shown right here. Okay. But for example, I want to show the different revisions on different sheets. How I can do that thing. So for that one, for example, I want to show on this particular sheet. Let me open that one, the floor plan L1. And in this one, I want to show R0. So how I can do that thing? I'll open that one. right here in revisions on sheet, click on add it. I'll go for R0 only. So I'll check this first one, click on OK. It'll be seen right here. R0 is added. For L2, I'm not opening the hard one. So I just directly highlighted this one, L2. Go for right here. And now right here, I want to go for this one, revision 1. Sorry, revision, yeah, correct, R1. And for this L0 parking that we already opened, for this one, I want to show both. So I'll click on both, click on OK. So in L0, I want to see both R0 and R1. For L1, I want to see only R0, and for this one, I want to see only R1. So how I can do that thing? So let's go for L2 at the first place. And this one R1 should be shown, right? So if I'll go right here, I'll be able to see only R1 is shown. But for L0 parking, both those things will be shown. So that is how we can show different revisions on different sheets. I think it'll be very helpful for you guys. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.